Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome once again to this online class. In today's class, we shall be looking at this question. The question is coming from Jan past question. We are asked to simplify without using table. And this is a solved question. So I'm going to use this to multiply this by saying 2 multiplied by 3. That's 2 times 3. Then I'm going to have root 14 multiplied by root 21. Then the next thing, I will come to the denominator side by saying 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by root 24 multiplied by root 98. Now the next thing to do is to simplify. So I'm going to say 2 multiplied by 3. Then let me simplify root 14. If I simplify it, it's going to give me root 2 multiplied by 7. And if I simplify this, I'm going to have root 3 multiplied by 7 all over 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, I'm going to simplify root 24, then I'm going to have 2 times 3 times 4. So I'm going to have root 2 times 3 times 4, that's going to give me root 24. And for this, I'm going to have 98. For root 98, I'm going to have root 14 times 7, because 14 times 7 will give me 98. But since I've already simplified root 14 here as 2 times 7, I'm going to use 2 multiplied by 7 here. So that, 98 is 14 times 7. So this one is 14 times 7. Alright, the next thing is to break this down. If I break it down, I'm going to have root 2 multiplied by root 7. It's the same thing as root 2 times 7. Then multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 7. For the denominator, I'm going to have 7 times 2 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 4. Root 2 times 3 times 4 has been simplified to root 2 times root 3 times root 4. So I'm going to do the same thing for this. I'm going to have root 2 times root 7 times root 7. Alright, now we are going to cancel the numerator and the denominator. Let's look for the common terms. So here, this will cancel each other out. Okay, let me look for another one. These two will cancel these two. Then, okay, root 7 cancel root 7. This cancel this. Okay, root 3 cancel this. Okay, I will be left with this for the numerator, and for the denominator, I'm going to have this, this, and this. Alright, so definitely this simply means I'm having, for the numerator side, I'm only having 3. I'm only having 3. And for the denominator, I'm having 7 multiplied by root 4. What is root 4? Root 4 is 2 multiplied by root 2. And that's going to give me 3 all over 7 times 2, 14 root 2. Alright. Now, can I leave my answer like this? No. Because it is having surd. It is having surd. What do I mean by that? The denominator is having roots. So we can say root 2. So whenever your denominator is having roots, then you cannot stop there. Then you are going to rationalize. What do I mean by rationalize? We have to change this 14 root 2 to a rational number. And how do I do that? I'm going to say 14 root 2 multiplied by 14 root 2 all over 14 root 2. So I'm going to use the denominator to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. So that means I'm going to use 14 root 2 to multiply this. I will now use that 14 root 2 again to multiply this. So, and that's what I have here. So this is going to give me 3 times 14 times root 2. And this is going to be 14 times 14. Then root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2 will give me 2. Then that simply means this 14 will cancel this 14. Then I can now say 3 multiplied by root 2. That will be 3 root 2 all over 14 multiplied by 2. That will be 28. Now, can I stop there or can I simplify further? Since 3 cannot divide 28, so I can't move further. So I'm going to stop there, and this is going to be my final answer. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again in my next video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do that, as maths made easy with Unify. Thanks for watching.